it's Sarah Sargent and I'm back with another video. Today's video I am pretty excited about. I am diving into Colourpop's Zodiac palette, and I am a huge fan of the Zodiac myself. I'm a Cancer, and so I did this eyeshadow today inspired by my Zodiac sign. So if you want to figure out how this inspiration ties in with my Zodiac sign, and if you want to see how I created this look, then just keep watching. Okay, so let's take a look at what this palette looks like. This is Colourpop's Zodiac palette. The outside has a lot of the Zodiac animals, and then the back has the others and the list of colors, and it's like a beautiful night sky with the stars and then all the Zodiac characters. And then the inside of the palette looks like this. So a really good range of colors, and then of course there's 12 colors. Each one is representative of each one of the Zodiac signs. So I think they did a really good job with the range of colors. There's like fire colors, water colors, air colors, and earth colors. So I think that was really smart of them to put all of the colors in there like that. So today's look is going to be inspired by my sign. I follow the Zodiac, I love it, I do kind of believe in it, and my sign is Cancer. So Cancer is a crab, so when I think of that, I think of like reds and oranges for the shell color of the crab, and then blues for the water. So I'm going to be focusing on an eye look today using kind of purpley reds, oranges, and the blues in the palette. So let's go ahead and get started. So I'm going to start out today with Sagittarius. This is color right here. It's a nice deep wine color, and I am going to use my small blending brush to focus that on my inner true crease of my eye. I typically will go in with a lighter transition shade first and then add a darker color on top of it. But for today, I'm doing this look in reverse because I want the crease of my eye to be a lot darker. I'm planning on putting those blue colors on my lid, and I just really want to deepen up this crease so there's a nice contrast between the red-orange colors and the turquoise blue. I will usually try to diffuse colors out, but for today's look, as I said, I do want a pretty harsh line throughout the crease. So while I am blending, I am depositing most of that color just along that line on my crease. Okay, I think that's pretty good for now. I'm just going to do the same thing on the other eye and I'll be right back. Alright, now I'm going to be going in with this chocolate brown camel color right here. This one is Taurus, and I'm just going to be sweeping that throughout my crease to blend out that wine color that we just put down. Okay, and I am taking this color all the way up the bridge of my nose to my brow. Okay, and now I'm going to go back in with that Sagittarius color and just add the red tone back into my crease. And now I'm going to be blending this up a little bit higher. I'm going to go in with this bright blue color right here called Aquarius, and I am just going to sweep this on the outer half of my eyelid. Okay, so next up I'm going to be taking this shimmery turquoise color right here called Pisces, and I am going to be placing that on the inner half of my eyelid. Also, this color has a lot of micro glitter in it, so I really want to make sure that I am using a patting motion and not a swipe motion, or I am definitely going to end up with a lot of fallout. Wow, this color is really gorgeous. Okay, now that I have that turquoise laid down, I am just going to go back into that blue Aquarius color and just blend these two colors together. So now I'm just going to go in with a really tiny flat brush and back into that Sagittarius color, and I am just going to darken up that crease a little bit more. Okay, so next for the lower waterline and lower lashes, I am going to use this Urban Decay 24/7 liner in the color Torch, and I'm just going to put that on my waterline and just smudge that down below into my lashes. And this is just going to be like a rusty burnt orange color. Okay, so we have that all smudged out. Now I'm going to be going in with this metallic orange color here. This one's Aries, and I'm just going to be smudging that along my entire lower lash line. Alright, next up I am going to be using this color right here. This is a metallic burgundy color, and this one is called Scorpio. I'm going to be putting this on the outer lower lash line just to deepen it up a little bit. And next up, I'm going to be using this color right here. This is going to be a light metallic pale orange color, and this one is Cancer. Me. And I'm going to be putting this on my inner corners and my brow bone. Next up, I am just going to pop on some eyeliner off camera and some mascara. I am going to be using Urban Decay's 24/7 eyeliner in the color LSD. This is just a navy sparkly blue color, and I'm going to be following that up with some Hourglass mascara. This is the new Caution mascara. And I'll be right back. Okay, I think that just about wraps it up for the eyes. For highlight today, I'm going to be using Colourpop's Flexitarian. This is just a really nice champagne metallic color. That's crazy. And because today I want to mimic sort of that watery look, pull out some more blues and greens that I have in my eyes, I'm going to be dipping into the Alchemist palette today, and I'm just going to be layering the blue and the green in here on top of that Flexitarian just to give even more of a glow. So I'm just going down with the blue first. Go in with some green. For blush today, I'm going to be using the Amazonian Clay Blush in the color Party. It's just a nice neutral pink color. It just gives a nice flush to the face. And then for lips today, we are doing a combination of Colourpop's Satin Lip in the color Femme, which is a nice cool mauve color that I think will bring out that Sagittarius color that we have in the crease. And then I'm going to be layering over the top with a Marc Jacobs gloss that's called Cha-Cha Changes after David Bowie, who I love. Anyways, this is kind of a color shifting gloss. It has a lot of like a rusty red color with some blue shift in it. So I think it will be perfect to go with the color combo that we have going on the eyes right now. So I'm gonna pop that on. Okay, so here is just the color Femme. I love this. I really, really love this color. I would wear this all the time. This is one of my all-time favorite shades. I have some other liquid lipsticks that are similar in color to this in just varying shades, and this really is just this like grayish, mauve-y, a little bit of lavender, a little bit of gray, cool toned lip is my absolute favorite. So I love this. I think that this goes really well with this eye look today, and I could totally stop right here, but I am going to still go in with this Marc Jacobs color and layer this gloss over the top. I don't know if the camera is picking this up or not, but it definitely gives a little bit of a blue sparkle when the light hits it. So I feel like it goes really good with the eye combo. So anyways, I think that that does it for the entire look today. Okay, so final thoughts on the Zodiac palette. You know, I am going to be a complete sucker for anything Zodiac. I love the Zodiac, not just in makeup, but pretty much like jewelry, tattoos, anything like that. As I mentioned, I have studied it. I read up about my own sign, which is Cancer. I read up on all my friends' signs, you know, seeing how they mix with each other. I'm just a big fan of it. So, and I have been since I was a kid. I think that these colors are really smart. I think it was super clever of them to stick to the 4 tones. Again, the water colors, the fire colors, earth and air. I think that that was so well thought out. So round of applause for Colourpop. As always with Colourpop products, I am so impressed with the quality versus how much they cost. They are so affordable, and one would think that maybe with such a low price point that how could you possibly get a good product, but their products are amazing. So I mean, I so far am a huge fan. I'm going to continue to try them out. They're amazing. I really had a lot of fun with this palette today. Let me know what you guys thought of this. Let me know if you guys follow the Zodiac too, and also what are your Zodiac signs, and do you think that they represent you? I am definitely a Cancer. Anyways, I think that's about it. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of my future videos. And if you'd like, you can also follow me on Instagram at Sarah Sargent MUA. That's going to be my makeup page. And you can also follow me if you'd like at Sarah Sargent Pepper. That's going to be my lifestyle page. So that just about does it for me, guys. I hope that you guys have a great day, and I will see you again in my next video. Bye!